Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Norman Manley International Airport and we are giving you a tour of the runway extension project. Now where you see those white cones or the white thing floating in the ocean in the Kingston Harbor, all of that area is going to be where the new runway is going to be. So the runway is going to be extended into the Kingston Harbor. Now, needless to say, this is the largest engineering project ever done in Jamaica. And luckily for Jamaica, China Harbour Engineering Company is going to be doing this work. Now, when we think of China Harbour Engineering Company, we think of building highways, building buildings, major road projects. But China Harbour Engineering Company is actually the second largest contractor in the world for dredging and this kind of marine engineering work. The second largest. So in the past, when it comes on to run extending runways, they usually use Legion Aviation, a UK-based company. But because this project involves building into the Kingston Harbor, they are using China Harbor Engineering Company. So what they're going to do, or just to give you a quick summary of what is entailed, they are going to dredge the bottom of the harbor, take up all the silt and everything, and remove it from the work area. Then they're going to put in some sort of sheeting or revetment around the area they're going to work. So where you see those white floating things, that is the area they're going to be working in. So they're going to build up a revetment and then they're going to put landfill in the area and they'll keep doing that and compressing it until it reaches up to the top and there is no more water because the water would have flowed out because of the revetment work, the landfill work. So this is a major engineering process. And remember, a plane is weighs up to like 300 tons. So they have to make sure that the ground that the runway is going to be built on, the reclaimed land that the runway is going to be built on, is built to specification. So it is definitely a major project. So we're going to give you more information on what's happening here. The runway extension at Norman Manley International Airport is a major aviation safety project designed to meet international standards by adding runway and safety area reserve. Because the airport is bordered by Kingston Harbor, there is limited land inland, making it necessary to extend the runway outward into the harbor through marine engineering and land reclaimment. Building into the harbor requires dredging, seabed preparation, and the placement of engineered fill to create stable new land capable of supporting aircraft loads. This type of work is highly specialized and is typically handled by global marine contractors with deep experience in ports, harbors, and reclamation. China Harbour Engineering Company is widely recognized as one of the largest and most experienced dredging and marine engineering companies in the world, regularly ranked among the global leaders in harbor construction and land reclamation. Its experience aligns closely with the technical demands of projects like NMIA's runway extension. Overall, the NMIA runway extension is among the largest and most complex engineering projects in Jamaica, combining aviation safety, marine dredging, and land reclamation. It strengthens national infrastructure, improves airport safety, and demonstrates how advanced marine engineering is used to build critical facilities into coastal and harbor environments. So that's the end of the update. This is definitely a major engineering project, but it's needed because on two instances recently, airplanes have overshot the runway and ended up into the road. Luckily, nobody was injured, but they definitely need to add the safety area to the runway, the 300 meters. All right, guys, we'll keep you guys updated on this mega project. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below.